So it's been good. I've been recognizing a bunch of people from YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's guys from
Look out, yeah, man. I be trying to be everywhere. He said, "Look at you everywhere."
Yes, sir. Hard work pays off.
That's what they say, man.
It takes time, but it
I
does,
heard that
it
part
does
too.
work.
They said that too. I was listening.
Because it's consistency over time will produce the results.
Oh, okay.
The only time it's quick is if it's like God's will, then God's way will have God's provision.
Yeah.
But beyond that, hard work pays off. I want to introduce you to Michael, the event coordinator.
Okay, where he at?
He down here setting up the lights.
Okay.
Getting the tree ready.
Man, they getting everything. They got blocks. Look like they measuring and everything.
Yeah, it's a reflector-based system, so that way they can do the pre-stage and the stage. And I think they're not going to do a tree. I think it's going to be instant green today.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Instant green. That's gonna. Excuse me, y'all. Oh, I didn't pay. Oh, my bad. Dang. I'm steady walking. Right now they trying to.
Can y'all work together on this?
Right now we're trying to get the
Bills,
what's going on, dabbing out. Team Thundercock, appreciate you with the letting them know the shirt. I ain't know you could be saying that. How you doing, sir? I'm doing pretty good. I'm having a good day today. Feel good out here this morning.
It's a great day.
I done dressed appropriately. I'm trying to see what these RC cars talking about.
Okay, so you do a lot of the big car stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and because I've seen you on his, I recognize your voice because a lot of times you're behind the camera.
Yes, sir, I do. I'll be behind it. Sometimes I get shy a little bit. So I just be still talking and everything.
We're broadcasting now already.
Yeah, I'm already live, man. You want to put your shout out in one time?
So I'm Michael Mercadale, president of the RCDRL. That's the Radio Controlled Drag Racing League, based out of Fort Worth, Texas. But we have tracks in Puerto Rico, Florida, over in Ocala, and we look to expand this thing.
Okay. It sounds like it's already expanded. This is my first one here.
This is our second no prep race. We had one here in 2019, same place, and Summit called us up earlier this year and said, hey, you know what, let's do it again. Okay. Let's get you guys back out post-COVID. And, you know, hey, great turnout. Yeah. And look to get some fast cars down this track.
Okay. Is the winner from 2019 here? Is he present today?
Maybe I could check Drag Track. For those that are watching right now, if you go to dragtrack.com, it's Drag Track, but drop the K.
Right here.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is. Drag Track.
Bam, there you go.
You can actually go back to 2019
on
Drag Track, click on the Texas tab, scroll over to the Summit Fall Classic.
Okay.
It was in November of 2019.
Okay.
You can see the winners, their times, and you can see how quickly, in just 2 years, these times are going to drop.
Big time.
For real?
So that's what's cool about Drag Track, our software, in-house built. It's historic. Everything that happens today will live in infamy. You know? So, yeah, absolutely.
I'm ready to see
Big shout out to this man right here, Crawler.
That's at Mundo Innovations.
El Mundo.
Yes, sir.
Never can say. I always want to say L first. You know what I mean? El Mundo.
Yes, sir.
We're picking up the right lane this weekend. It'll be the Crawler Innovations right lane. I have to say that. Okay. 95% of the time. And over here would be Plan B, RC in the left lane. So thank you for picking up that sponsorship.
Really?
Look at all the happy people.
Yeah, this is so cool.
I mean,
well, they'll be happier once I open up this track.
Okay, they don't look like they waiting yet. They look like they still.
They look like they're mingling. That's what the thing about drag racing. It's a big fellowship. You know, it's a hurry up and wait game when we get you up here to the starting line. The good thing is we don't have VHT to worry about when guys cross the track and get into the staging lane. The staging lane's going to be on that side.
Okay.
But welcome the audience. Hope you guys have a great time.
Stay in here. I appreciate it, Mr. Michael.
So these guys over here are already from Florida.
This the Florida crew?
It looks like it. Now, I haven't met any of these people, so I don't want to act like I
ain't
know
met
them.
none either. I just did me a walk around real quick.
How you guys doing? We're live streaming on Twitch. If you guys want to, I'm looking at racing. You want to send any of your family members?
Yeah, you want to let them know?
Hi there, I'm Norris Graves.
with your battery buddy, come check out my website.
Okay, what's the website?
It's all about drag racing for RC cars. Our focus is for your car to go faster than it is now, so let me know if I can help you. We got Cordova Motors, MRK, MIP, all the top brands.
I'm at Nino Yello from Crawler Innovation.
Nice to meet you.
Entire phone.
Oh, sweet.
See if we get the rock callers that we've got to see now.
Well, get into the RC drag racing because it's hot.
Yeah.
You need to update your tire a bit more, get more people. My boy, not urban. My boy, Team Thundercock. What's going on?
You want to talk about it?
Yeah, let me know about. Yeah, let me know about some of them, man. Which one? You racing? These you right here? Okay.
Pro Street Outlaw, Pro Outlaw, depends on what race you go to.
Okay.
Carbon fiber chassis, big motor. That's a 13.5 car.
Is it a weight limit for these cars?
Weight minimum is supposed to be 4.5 pounds.
Weight minimum is 4.5?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you down to?
Actually, I don't know what this weighs. It's legal, whatever it is.
Oh, okay. Y'all win them today?
They're supposed to be. That's a good question. Let me go find out.
Okay. Okay.
They should check the battery voltage. They have to have suspension.
Oh, they checking the battery voltage too?
Yeah, gotta have certain tires on them.
Golly.
So there's some rules to it.
They checking the battery voltage. I didn't know they were doing that.
Yeah, keep everybody straight. On the up and up. It's good. Keep everybody playing on the same playing field.
I thought you could change the title. Here, I think I could change the title. Oh, dang, man.
Have some fun today. Just some quick cars.
Okay, and do y'all what kind of what you do for your tires? Y'all Crawler Innovation do tire foams. Do they have tire foams in Florida?
There's no for these cars, there's no foam tires.
Okay.
It's rubber tire only.
Rubber tire.
Rubber tire only, and it's usually only like 2 or 3 manufacturers out there that make tires.
Okay.
And everybody pretty much uses them.
Okay.
Everybody likes a certain brand, a certain kind.
What brand you like?
I use the Proline Reaction.
Proline Reaction. Yeah. And ain't nothing on the inside of your tire?
Foam.
Oh, okay, that's the foam I was talking about. What company foam you use?
The foam that actually comes with the wheel.
Oh, it comes with the wheel?
Yeah, there's no really options of changing the foam on the inside.
Oh, okay.
Some other manufacturers might have some different combinations of foam.
Yeah.
Some guys take the foam out, the cars run better on them, some don't.
Oh, okay.
Depends on how you tune the car.
How long you been racing RC cars?
Probably about 5 years, 6 years.
5, 6 years.
Yeah, these are fairly newer, but I race pro models.
Oh, okay.
The
Oh, okay.
Top view.